What's up, guys? Good morning, everybody. Wow, you guys are even here already. It's crazy. Good morning, everybody. Uh, fuck. Okay, let me share my screen. So, can you guys see my screen? Can you guys hear me clearly? Testing, testing, testing. Can you see my screen? Can you guys hear me clearly? Good morning, everybody. Let's wait for everyone to join. Join, guys. Join. So let's wait for everyone to join, okay? So we could start. I hope you guys slept well. I've been awake since like 5. So basically, you guys can see this was our all our analysis yesterday, right? All the analysis that we made yesterday. So this is gold, okay? This is XAUSD. And basically, remember I said I would love to see price. You guys, people that were here yesterday, right? I said something. I said I would love to see reaction around this zone before deciding on what to do, right? So basically, this is the reaction we are like talking about. Do you understand? I marked off this area yesterday. So we are seeing that price is reacting towards that around that area, right? Because I said this point is also like a confluence zone. For those that were here yesterday, someone said they are not seeing my charts. Can you guys see my chart? Are you guys see my screen? Hello, are you guys seeing my screen? Before I start, I want each and every one of you to write active, active, active. Wow, you guys are not seeing my screen. It's crazy. Can you guys see it now? Can you guys see my screen now? Can you guys see my screen now? Okay, good. Good, good, good. So you guys could remember that yesterday, right? We talked about this area. We said that I would love to see a reaction around this zone before deciding on what to do. You guys remember that, right? We talked about this yesterday. And currently, where price is at right now, that's we are seeing that reaction, which we were, anticipating, right? So basically, what we'll be doing now is, looking out to see how price is going to be reacting on the lower time frame. Okay, because on the lower time frame, which is more of yep, 15 minutes time frame. So on the 15 minutes time frame, right, I would love to see some kind of shift. Okay, I would love to see some kind of shift. Either price breaks above here, right? Either price breaks above this area. Not too much. No, no, like you're not. No, don't rush. Remember what I used to tell you guys. No rushing in the market. Just let the market play out. So now we've seen our number one confluence, right? Price is respecting that particular area that we marked out. Then now we want to see price at least give us a break of this resistance, right? Because let's try and validate, yes. So we want to see price at least give us a break of this resistance before we can be able to say, okay, we want to do anything, right? Or even though price doesn't give us a break of that resistance, we need to see at least a counter move, right? Some kind of counter move to tell us that, okay, there is a kind of shift. Do you understand? There is a kind of shift on that lower time frame before we can be able to take any entry on gold. Okay, so our entry criteria now is for price to break above this resistance, right? Or price give us some kind of higher low, sorry, some kind of highs, that's some kind of minor internal support around here. Then we could see our impulsive move. Okay, but nevertheless, we are still seeing price trading below the moving averages. But if price is trading below the moving average and structure is saying otherwise, then you know that because structure is like the main thing. Do you understand? Moving averages are just they are just added confluence. You understand? But structure is the main thing, right? So if structure is showing you that price is about to push, because remember I said the more higher low or the more highs you see in the market indicates that price is building up momentum to push upward, right? So for what I just said now, if we see um what I just said now, if we see some kind of highs being created here, then we can anticipate that okay, price is building momentum to break out of this moving average, right? Then we can continue our bullish move. Do you understand? But for now, okay, for now we are basically waiting for now. No stress, nothing, because there is really nothing you want to do here on XAU, right? You don't want to start selling now because for one, it's on Monday. Today is Monday, 7 a.m. Monday. So you just want to it's like a market outlook and to understand what is actually going on. So on GBP USD, right? You guys could also remember on GBP USD, we made our analysis. Price is playing out. I said I would love to see price react towards that area, even though price didn't come all the way down, but we started seeing multiple bearish exhaustion, right? We started seeing multiple bearish exhaustion, which is this how these candlesticks were closing. See how this candlestick closed, see how this candlestick closed. Then we started seeing, okay, look at how this candlestick also closed, right? All those things are bearish exhaustion, right? To show you that sellers don't really have enough momentum to push down the market. Do you understand? So now we started seeing a whole lot of rejection around that area. The next thing we are seeing that price has started the bullish continuation again, right? Remember, I said this is our overall target. So on XAU, right? On um GBP USD, I think we were looking at this on what time frame was this actually? Whereas on is it on 1 hour? No, 1 hour is too. There's so much details there. So it was on M30. So yes, it was on M30 time frame. So on that M30 time frame, right? What you could be looking out for was a proper break of resistance, which was around this area, right? Let me go and validate that. No, 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 nope, 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 nope. Good. So good. So this is like a proper. Okay. So this is basically a proper breakout. Okay. So we definitely need to see price, break out of this whole counter, sorry, break out of this whole resistance area. Okay. We need to see like a solid breakout of this resistance before we start taking any buys on GBP USD. Okay. All these things you guys are seeing here are not just they are not resistance, they are just noise. You get they are just all these things you're seeing here, they are not resistance here, they are just noise. They are just noise. Are you seeing this? All those things they are not resistance, they are just noise because if you go to a higher time frame, they are all cleared out. Do you understand? So they are not resistance, they are just noise. So basically, even though you can call them resistance actually, but they are they are like they don't really matter, they don't really count whenever you're like in this kind of setup, they don't really count. So on GBP USD, right? I am looking out for price to give us a nice break of this higher low. Sorry, of this resistance here, right? When I mean a nice breakout, a valid breakout, and we can also see how price is reacting towards that moving average. Okay, so price is not respecting that moving average at all because if price was respecting it, we could have been seeing multiple bearish candle being formed around this area. But remember, we can't still judge because this is still an active candle, right? This particular candle is an active candle, so it might still close bearish or it might close bullish, right? So once we see a valid close or a valid break of this area, then now we can start taking buys, and taking advantage of the whole move till we get to our overall target. Do you guys understand? So that's that for me on XAU USD and also for GBP USD. Okay, no trade setup. Not calling out any trade now. I need to see some confirmations in the market. Let's go to USD JPY. So if you guys could remember USD JPY, we made this analysis yesterday also, right? Could you guys remember? We made this analysis yesterday, and I told you guys based on the fact that price did not respect 38.2 doesn't mean it's not going to respect 61.8, right? And I also said something. What was the next thing I said? I need somebody to say what I said because I need to know if you are I don't know if you're assimilating. So yesterday on USGPY, I also said something. What was that? After saying that, how did I say that we're going to know if price respected 61.8? What was the next thing we're going to do? I highlighted this area now. I said I was looking out for something. So what was that thing I was looking out for? Can somebody, what was that thing we're looking out for? So nobody could remember. Wow, that's nice. So you guys can remember what I said we're looking out for on USDJPY because I highlighted this area yesterday. That's crazy though. I was not in the class yesterday. Okay. For people that were in the class, people like MOE dot hustle, he kept on shouting chop price, chop price. I mean, you were in class yesterday, right? You're supposed to know this. Who else? Okay, I think he was the only one I could recall because, yeah, he was the only one I could recall. So yesterday, right? I said I needed to see some kind of shift around that 61.8. And when I mean shift, I mean some kind of bearish reversal pattern, right? Which we are seeing here. We are seeing a double top, right? I made mention of this yesterday. I made mention of this yesterday. So I said we needed to see a double top, either a double top or some kind of, I made mention of some kind of patterns I would love to see around that area before I take my trade, right? So this is more of like a bearish reversal pattern, right? And seeing this on a lower time frame, seeing this on a lower time frame signifies that okay, price is actually respecting that area. Do you guys understand? So price is respecting that area, which is that 61.8. So from there now, we would start seeing our shorts, right? Remember, I told you guys that was why I said we could also see price come all the way down from here and start selling from here, if you guys remember the yesterday, okay? And also looking at how price closed on that 4 hours, it closed with a what? With a very nice bullish, a very nice bearish engulfing, which gave us some kind of bullish bearish variation, right? So on that bearish variation, trying to understand what actually occurred on that bearish variation, you could see that price really did give us a break, right? Really did give us, sorry, a shift actually. Price did give us a shift in structure on that around that 61.8 area. Okay. So on USDJPY, well, USDJPY isn't that bad though. I'm not even gonna lie. Okay. 0.A to point B, price is sitting on 61.8. Not bad. More of a retest. 30.2. Price is retesting around that area, right? On that 5%, on that 5 minutes, price is trading below your moving averages, which is not bad. Well, I'd love to see how this candlestick close. I'd love to see how this, if this candlestick closes with a bearish volume, right? Then this might be a very nice entry. This, yes. If it closes with a bearish volume, then I'll be looking out to sell from here on USJPY. Because now looking at how the candlesticks are closing, right? All these things are closing weak, weak, weak. Okay? All these are closing weak, weak, weak. See how the candlesticks are closing, right? They are closing weak, they are closing weak, you know. And price has given us some kind of double top around here, right? Giving us some kind of double top around here. And on your M30, those double top are verified, and price is sitting on 61.8. Not bad. 5 minutes price is below the moving average on 5 minutes, showing you that the 5 minutes momentum is bearish. Short on USDJPY. So guys, I'm taking a short on USDJPY, but I mean, not too much risk though. Just keep it minimal. I'm taking a short on USDJPY. TP should be around here. Stop losses. Okay, TP. Not bad. Shorts on USDJPY. Stop losses, on the 3 minutes above the fluctuation area, which is 16 pips. My target is around my target is around 143.983, right? 143.983. That's my target on USDJPY. But I could see we could also see price get down to this area depending on how it reacts to our TP2 though. But I mean it's more of same thing around this area too. So target 50 pips, target extended 50 pips on USDJPY. I'm already on the trade though. Are you guys seeing that? So USDJPY shorts. Let's see how it goes. Copy link, bruh. Telegram. So guys, let's see how this plays out on USDJPY. Not too much risks. It's Monday morning, just try to catch up here and there. Nothing too crazy. So guys, we are live. Okay. I'm trying to make a video though. Bro, what the hell? Okay, good. So we are live, guys. If you are not here, make sure you join. It's Monday morning. We do this every day, 7 a.m. So make sure you join. Let's make money together, lose money together. That's the vibe. That's the joy in having a community. Okay, so the link of this live stream is going to be dropped on the caption of this video. So just join up and let's trade together. Bra 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 bra. Bra 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 bra. So guys, let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes, boys. Um, I think some people are just waking up. In Yoruba, how do they used to say it? How they used to say good morning in Yoruba? How they used to say good morning in Yoruba, guys? Ekaro, right? Yes, ekaro. Good morning. In Igbo, they say Ututu ọma. In Hausa, they used to say good morning in Hausa. Inakwana, that's true. That's the most basic thing. Like, how the fuck did I not even know that thing? That's the most basic thing in Hausa, though. So I'm up just $600. Nothing crazy, you know. I mean, this is not EU though. There's bank holiday for EU, but there's no bank holiday for USD. So this is not EU. Okay. We already checked. I think I even sent it out to the community. The I forgot to do that this morning though. Not even gonna lie. The Forex factory. So let's just see how GBP USD JPY is going to flow, right? Fingers crossed there. USD GBP USD, like I said, I would love to see a nice double bullish candle close above this area before I could take any decision on this pair. Okay, I'd love to see a double bullish candle close. Gold. Let's go to XAU USD. So okay, good. So gold is reacting towards our area where we mapped out yesterday. You guys can see that price is moving nice from that point. So I'd love to see like a nice break out of this resistance area before I start taking any trade. And on our 5 minutes also, price has also broken the dynamic resistance, right? So basically we are looking at for price to break out this structural resistance. Then it's very easy, no too much stress. Just know your structure, know your support and resistance, know valid break and invalid break, know your counter trends, just straight to the point, nothing too much. GU, XAU. This nigga says Chin La. The hell? Bruh, relax. Um, just waiting, nothing more. We've analyzed GU. What page should we analyze again? Let's check out US 30. Okay, nice. So basically on that US 30, right, we can see that price has given us this area to be a valid resistance, right? Because remember I told you guys we needed to see price give us at least a valid resistance, then we can know where we would map out our fib from. So price, the hell? So price, giving us this area as a valid resistance, right? Not bad. So point A, point B, let's look out to see either price reverse from here, 38.2 or maybe 61.8. US 30 is always, guys, let me tell you something, okay? US 30 only moves around, not only actually, but moves is like very volatile. It's like as if there's always news on US 30 every single day. Around 2:30, right? 2:30 is always, it's everywhere. It's just fam, 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 fam. Like like 200, you might do 400 pips sell, 500 pips buy, or 1,000 pips buy on US 30. That is crazy though. So whenever you're trading US 30, you have to be your skin gas tight. In pidgin language, you say your skin gas tight, so you have to be ready. US 30 is not for everybody. Do you understand? So like I said, you can see a dump of 200, 500 pips and see a pump of 1,000 pips. Like it happens every time. So your entry has to be precise. You have to be very, very, very precise whenever you're taking trades here. So, well, US 30, I would love to see, well, on a lower time frame though, I'd love to see at least price give us some kind of drops, then react from around below this, from this area. This point is not even bad at all, you know, at least around 50%. So still more shots on US 30 for me though. Sorry, let me make this yellow. So more shots on US 30 though, and we could see a buy. Okay, but overall we are still bullish. Okay, overall we are still bullish on US 30. So guys, we are just sitting on our hands and we are waiting. Let's check out USDJPY. Okay, not bad. So remember our stop losses were just what, 16 pips, so it's nothing too crazy. 16 pips stop loss. Price is, price has been reacting towards this 23.6 multiple times. So we're seeing this, right? And we're also seeing this. So, and also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candle, how price close, bullish, bearish volume, weak ass candles with a whole lot of with a whole lot of bullish exhaustion up top. All these things are what we you look out for. And also looking at this area, we're seeing double top around here, more of like a reaction on that 61.8, which our 61.8 was on a 4 hours time frame. So everything is just confluence. So guys, we are 22 people watching this, right? I need 22 people to like this live, like go right now and like this. 22 likes, that's what I'm looking at for right now. Go and like this right now, okay? We can't have 22 people watching this and 7 people liking it. I mean, why? So 22 people here, 22 people should also like the live stream, okay? I'm serious, guys. I mean, 22 people here, 22 people should also like the live stream. You're not just here to, I mean, this is a community we are building. We are building, guys. Are you guys not part? Do you guys want to be part of a great community? This is a community we are building. Do you understand? We are building. So um USDJPY still bearish. Let's see how it goes. Bruh. Are we to enter the trade? Look at this guy. What do you mean by we to enter the trade? I don't understand. Is that a question? Mr. Suleiman in Akwana. I mean, what do you mean by I already called at this? I said I took this trade from here. Is that not what I said? Were you guys not here? I said I took this trade from here. And it was on this live stream. I mean, I don't know what Mr. Nura is saying. Maybe he did not, he wasn't informed earlier. But I mean, we're already on the trade though. We're already in the trade though. Uh, Let's check out US 30 again. Sorry, let's check out XAUSD. Sorry, XAUSD. XA is still around this area. Hasn't given us any nice breakout. So I mean, nothing too serious. Nothing too serious, guys. On XAU, USDJPY still holding ourselves. GBP, I need to see a candle close, right? I told you guys. Do you break even on trades or what or TS or TSTP? I don't even know what this guy is saying. Do I break even on trades? Yeah, I do break even on trades actually. I do. I do break even on trades, but when I break even on trades, it's only when I'm using like crazy lot size, yeah. But when I'm like that just using small lot size, I mean I don't see any point because I'm not even risking much here. Do you understand? And me breaking even early is like me not accepting my risk because I already know how much I'm risking on this trade. So why am I breaking even on this trade like right now? This has not even gone anywhere. Price can still come here. Trust me, price can still do this, get to this area below, then drop. So once I break even and price takes me out and start dropping, then that time I'll start fixing. So why am I breaking even so early? I don't break even too early. Even if I want to break even, that should be like when I'm using like crazy lot size, but not with this kind of trade. This is just a minor little trade. So some don't understand you when you said they should like the live stream. I mean, when I mean like the live stream, it is basically there. Just like it. Like, bruh, how am I going to explain? I don't even know I don't even know how to explain it though. So I said my TP though. My TP is 143,845. But if there is any reason why I should take profit before then, I'll definitely let you guys know. Right? We took the trade together, so I got to carry you guys along. It's a normal thing. So if there is any reason why I should take profit earlier than there, I would notify you people in the community. Okay, so I mean I don't know. Oh, what the fuck is going on here? It's people that you can't see. Yeah. It's crazy. So how many of you are on the USGPY trade? GJ, please, bro. I mean, I've said this so many times. Like, I'm not analyzing GJ. Like, no. Okay? I'm not analyzing GJ. So don't stop stressing me on GJ. I beg. I beg. Nigerians. I can analyze any other pay. Now everything, but you see GJ. I don't do that, please. It's kind of stressing. For one, it doesn't have structure for me though. So I think people that analyze GI are people that do all those SMC kind of things. My kind of. It's not my kind of. I don't. It's not like I don't know how to analyze it, but it's just stressing me out sometimes whenever I'm analyzing it. What are you looking at in gold, XAUSD? So like I said, right? I said on gold, I'm looking out to see price breakout. I'm not taking any trade now, right? Learn to stay conservative. Learn to stay very conservative. Okay, let market give you, like I said yesterday, trade whenever the odds are stacked in your favor, right? So before the odds are stacked in your favor, it takes time. That's one. And you need to see a whole lot of confirmation. So for me now on gold, right, I'm not taking any trade, despite the fact that gold is just going. Is gold has done like 250 pips this morning, but I'm not interested because I'm not seeing what I want to see yet, right? For one, price is still trading below your moving average on the 15 minutes time frame, and price has not yet broken, your structural support, which is here. Even on the even on the 3 minutes time frame, okay, on 3 minutes time frame, price has broken dynamic resistance, but I mean this here is still not broken yet. So I need to see this area. When I want to start trading on gold is when price start trading above this my blue line. Do you understand? When price starts trading above this my blue line, that's where I want to start trading gold from. But for now, nah, I'm not cool with it. What we see on gold at the moment is chop price. The fuck is this guy, bruh? Like, I don't even understand this nigga. Like, so on gold now, I'm just chilling, not too much pressure. Trust me, I could even go throughout this 1 week without even trading. Had it been we didn't see this setup on X USD JPY, right? Had it been we did not see this setup on USD JPY, trust me, I would have just closed my laptop. I'll go down I'll play FIFA. I don't like stress. I'll go down I'll play FIFA, I'll eat, I'll watch movie. That's all. But your students still get patient. Now why I still make them? um, let's see how USGPY plays out. I mean, this is it's going to take time though. So I think we are done with every other pair. We've touched every pair. We've touched USDJPY. We've touched GBP USD. We've touched US 30. More other pair again. Can you guys tell me pairs you want me to analyze? Okay, GBP card. Let's check out GBP card. GBPCAD. Bro, I'm hungry. Like, wow. And I ate yesterday night too. The way I used to get hungry these days is crazy. NDX 100. Please, what is even NDX? Is that NAS 100? Because I don't know what the fuck that is. I don't know what that thing is. Like NDX 100. Just like I think this guy is saying this because of that Twitter shit. What's NDX 100? EA. What do you mean by EA? Um GBP card. Let's throw some analysis here. Guys, give me a minute, please. Sorry guys, I just went to do something. So on GBP card, right? Monthly time frame, the monthly candle is kind of bullish actually, but not with too much volume. But we are seeing the bullish volume actually, not bad. Daily time frame, we're seeing this we're seeing this, right? And moving averages is pointing up, not bad, but a bit is pointing slant here. It's a bit straight here, trying to show you that some kind of consolidation has been happening around here, but all through is still bullish. 1 hour time frame, let's see how it goes. On 1 hour, bruh, let's make life easy for yourself, bro. There's no stress. So on 1 hour, right? This is a counter move, right? Basically, this was the counter move, but this is just a retest. Yes, this was a counter move. So this is the counter move here. Then this here is just more of like a retest. That point is a retest. Price is gaining momentum to break out of this counter trend. On the 15 minutes, guys, give me a minute. Sorry, a minute. Sorry, guys, I forgot. So 15 minutes, price needs to break out. Okay, price is already giving us nice, counter move. We're also seeing this here. So 1 hour, three, okay, good. 1 hour, 15 minutes, okay, not bad. 1, 2, 3, some kind of this is a bullish variation. 1, 2, 3 bullish variation around here. So price has successfully broken out, not bad. So on your GBP card, this was basically supposed to be your entry, right? Your entry was supposed to be 1, 2. This 1, 2 candle. This at the end of this bullish engulfing, right? Or you could even for one, this could have been your entry. This area could have been entry, right? Long. You're already too late right now though because price is almost close to your TP. So TP1, TP2, stop losses should be below fluctuation area. But that's not still, we are still not, that's not still like, you can still look out for entries. There are still other entries you can look out for though. Let price start at least trading, above this moving average. I'm sorry, above this CTL properly, seeing lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. Sorry, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, then you can take your entry. But this is just based off of a lower time frame target. That's why we see that the target is not that much. There's 27 pips. I mean, who in the market looks for 27 pips though? I know there are people that do that, but I'm not that kind of person. So this is just like a short-term move, right? But on a longer scale, you will need to see something like this, right? Then after that impulsive move, then you see retracement, then that impulsive move. Then now you can do point A from here to point B from here, right? Then from your point C, you can catch your mid entry, which is around negative 27%. So now this could at least give you a nice or substantial amount of trade, like 60 pips, 60 pips to 100 pips trade. Do you understand? So, but now this one is just a minor setup. This one I just showed you guys now is just a minor setup. Okay, that's how you could have taken advantage of that setup if you were in the market earlier. Do you understand? You could have taken advantage of this setup if you're in the market earlier. Immediately the close of this bullish engulfing, right? This is a bullish candle close. Immediately price closed above it, then you take your trade. So okay. So USD we are still floating profits. I'm up $1,700, $1,754 profit though. Ah. So what's your fifth settings? Fifth settings are only shown to students, not for everybody. So guys, if you want to join the Phoenix Creed Academy, it's not hard, it's not that expensive. It's just going for $200. Then we also have a monthly mentorship which is going for $49, but we are just going to launch that one very soon, okay? So we are organizing a boot camp. We'll be organizing a boot camp which will be coming out, which will be coming up in the middle of this month, right? So, but I'll definitely tell you guys, everything about the boot camp. The boot camp is not even expensive; it's just $49. So that boot camp, I'll be the one to teach you guys. It's going to be a 2 weeks boot camp, $49, a 2 weeks boot camp, intensive learning, bruh. I mean, intensive learning, like how I trade everything. I'm going to be pouring out knowledge for the boot camp. It's just going to be for 2 weeks. Um, it's going for $49, but I mean, we've not announced it yet. You guys in this live stream are the first people to know that I'm going to be organizing a boot camp, right? But I mean, maybe later this week we'll announce it in the community that there is a boot camp that is going to take place. It's going up for $49. If you like how I trade, if you want to be profitable like how I'm profitable, right? You can go for it. It's something that would expose you to how my perspective of how I look at the market. Okay, so are you doing live every day or every week? The live stream is every day. The live stream is every day, every morning, 7 a.m., 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. So 1 hour live stream. So live stream is every morning. We come here, we analyze together. If we see setup, we take it. If we don't see setup, we chop rice. We relax. Sir, how do you use volume based on candlestick pattern on trading view? What do you mean by volume based on candlestick pattern? I don't understand. Please, can you restructure your English, bros? I don't understand, Mr. Martins. Mr. Martins Berkey. What do you mean by that? Sir, how do you use volume based on candlestick pattern on trading view? Volume? I mean, for me though, I just basically read. I don't know, but I don't know if this is answer to your question. I read the candlesticks. I know how to analyze the candlesticks. Do you understand? So it's not just you analyzing charts. You should also understand how to analyze candlesticks. Do you get? So that's how I know the volume. And or is it because I used to call it a close volume candle? I mean, all those little details are for the mentorship, not for you guys. Um, GBP card. Anybody that was looking out for GBP card you know, should have been in profit. I think let's send this out to the community though for people that maybe might be looking out to ask, okay, where are we taking profits? Where are we doing this? Where are we doing that? Let's go back to GBP USD. Bruh, GBP USD is flying and I love that. It's crazy, man. Well, though, we're already on USD JPY, so I mean, no stress. If you don't catch the brother, you catch the sister. Are we? So we're already on GBP USD JPY. Let's see how it goes. So guys, I think I will be giving you guys update on the life or this trade we took, right? I'll be giving you guys update on it, and I'll also be telling you guys to either take profit or not take profits. Just relax, okay? Relax and wait for my call. If we are going to be taking profits, fine. If we are not going to be taking profits, maybe breaking even, fine. But I'll give you guys update on this trade. So this comes to the end of our live stream. Does anybody want to ask any question? Is there any question you want to ask before I take my leave? Is there any question you want to ask? So if this is your first time joining this live stream, make sure you go to the channel, like and subscribe, okay? Like and subscribe, then turn on your post notification. So whenever I'm posting, I think we'll be posting this week also. So whenever I'm posting, you guys will be notified and you guys will watch it. You guys will learn from it. Make sure to like and subscribe, okay? Like and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. We do this every morning, every single morning. Subscribe to the channel, and we would see you every morning, 7 a.m. We come to the chat, we analyze, you know, make money, lose money, not too much stress. So, guys, I hope this week is going to be a profitable week for each and every one of us. And someone said he has a question. Nura Suleiman. What's your question, Mr. Suleiman? What's your question, Mr. Suleiman? I don't usually know when you make entries because you don't usually, because for one, because your post notification is not turned on, and secondly, you don't used to come early, and thirdly, I don't know what to even say. I mean, had it been you were early here, had it been you came in early, you would have taken the entries with us, right? I mean, was it not here I called out the entry? Was it not here we analyzed the chart together? I mean, I don't know. So try and turn on your post. That's why I'm always saying turn on your post notification, guys. So you guys will not have the same issue Mr. Nura is having. Turn on your post notification. So immediately we start the live stream, you would be notified. So you join. Do you understand? And I mean, it's 7 a.m. Put on your alarm. 7 a.m. you are up. 7 a.m. you are up. So do you understand? Make sure you are active by 7 a.m. so you can join. Okay? So I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Okay. Thanks for joining the live stream, everybody. Have you ever tried the fuck is this, bro? MSNR strategy. I don't know what an MN Abi MSNR. I don't know that, and I'm not interested in that. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Ice. I don't even know how to pronounce the name. What's an ML? I don't know. I don't do that though. Like I said, my trading is very easy. Support and resistance, trend line, fib, what else? Time frame correlation. I don't used to do too much. Do you understand? I don't do too much. I do the basics, right? I do the basics. I'm not in for this other blog, this, that. No, I'm not in for all those, right? So guys, today I'll also be dropping the chart breakdown on how we made $52,000 on gold on Friday. So I'll do a chart breakdown and I'll post it. So guys, I want to tell you guys something, right? Whenever we post on social media, try and make sure you engage. Try and make sure you engage. Repost. Do you understand? Repost for people that have Instagram. repost. For people that have Twitter, retweets. Do you understand? It makes us known, right? It makes us known. Remember, this is a brand. This is your brand. This is my brand, right? It's not just mine. We are in this together. We are in this together, right? This is your brand, and this is also my brand. Do you understand? So we are in this together, and if I'm the only one pushing it and you guys are not also pushing it, how are we going to grow, right? So if I'm pushing it, you guys are pushing it, we are growing together. Do you understand? So it's not just my brand, it's also your brand. So make sure whenever we post a video on Instagram, any social, Instagram, Twitter, try and retweet, try and engage, try and repost, do something, show activity, show engagement. Do you understand? So though this is my trade, right? Are you guys seeing this? This is my trade. We are still going down, making profits. I'm up $2,000. And good morning, everybody, with money in your bank account. I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Peace out, my brothers and my sisters. Bye, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Don't forget. Bye.